Hi, welcome in today's session. My name is MJ and we're going to talk about warrior poses, specifically Virabhadrasana 1 or Warrior 1 and Virabhadrasana 2 or Warrior 2. We'll talk about alignments and then the key muscles or parts of the body that needs to be activated so that we will get to enjoy the benefit of the asanas or the yoga poses. Let's start. Okay, so now let's start with Virabhadrasana 1. Let's go to the tip of the mat. Find your mountain or Tadasana. Step your left foot back to widen your stand. So bring your attention to your foot. So your right foot or your front foot is pointed to the tip of the mat, and then the back foot is slightly tilted inwards. Okay, not the same as the front foot. You will be losing your balance as I tried it. Okay, tilt it a little bit if you want to be specific, around 45-degree angle. Once you root your foot down, start to bend your front knee, aligning your knees right on top of the heels. So let's go up to your hips. Our hips should be squared. So we bring your left hip forward and then your right hip back. Adjust. So the thing here is, if you cannot comfortably square the hips, there is a modification for you to lift the back heel high up to allow you to square the hips. Make sure the back leg is straight or a little bit bent as long as it's active. So once you've stabilized your lower body, bring your attention to your spine. It should be lengthened. Your shoulders are stacked right on top of the hips. And then slowly lift both hands high up to your Warrior 1. Relax the shoulder and keep your arms close to your ears. Either your back heel is lifted, the back heel is pressed down, and then breathe. To come out of the pose, hands to waist, and step your back foot forward, back to your Tadasana, and do it to the other side. Okay? Now next one, we'll go to Warrior 2. So we stand in our Tadasana again to the tip of the mat. Step your left foot back. Okay? Front toes pointing to the tip of the mat. Now this time, the difference here with Warrior 2 on back foot is that your toes are pointed to the long edge of the mat, so as the outer edge of your foot are parallel to the back edge of the mat. It's very specific. So we'll always start with specifics for beginners. Okay, you root your foot down, pressing your entire foot, especially your heels. Now bend your front knee to a 90-degree angle. You can just slide your back foot if you want to lower your hips, making sure it doesn't come lower than your knees. Okay? Now there is a tendency for the shoulders to come forward as we bend the front knee. Try to bring it back to center, stacked right on top of the hips. And then when you've established that, extend your arms straight to a T. Feel it really long and extended. And then soften the gaze to your front fingertips. So that is your drishti. You bring your awareness and attention right to your fingertips. And continue to be mindful in activating your muscles starting from your foot, your legs, your thighs, okay, your glutes, your core, your shoulders and arms, everything's working together. So to come out of the pose, hands to waist and step your back foot forward. Maybe start to shorten your stand. And then come to Tadasana and do it to the other side to balance. Okay? So that was it. I hope you learned something from our session today. Warrior poses, Warrior 1 and Warrior 2. For next sessions, maybe we can add Warrior 3 and perhaps triangle, or extended side angle. So we'll see. I'll see you next time. Bye.